Hi, I'm Austin Norton. I'm a project manager.
Thank you for being here today. You work for a tech company. Are there any things that really just still surprise you that your teams are getting stuck on?
Yeah, I work with our marketing and sales groups primarily. So on the day-to-day level, working across 4 or 5 different tactical pods, as well as working with the leadership group, trying to get everyone sort of on board doing the same things and, trying to communicate a process with working through something in Asana or even communicating issues on our website or with our products. Being able to show people what that looks like is a huge help for me.
How often are you glued to Zoom meetings or stuck in a Teams meeting?
So I am in a lot of Zoom meetings in my role. So if there's ever just a one-way, hey, check this out, or hey, think about this, I make a video, send a screenshot. The only time I try to schedule meetings if there's back and forth discussion that's needed.
How about your team and the teams that you work with? How did you get them to also communicate this way and maybe shift from that mindset of everything needs to be a meeting to visual communication?
Getting people to do these things, make a video, send a screenshot, send a screencast link, encouraging people to do that, whether I directly say, hey, send someone a video, or just leading by example. And if someone asks me a question, I send them back a video, and they'll oftentimes send me back a video. And if it goes past more than that, I may be like, hey, we might need a meeting.
What are the top use cases that you find yourself creating quick videos for?
Showing someone a process, and it's not formal, an example would be like, hey, how do I add this task to this Asana board? I could do that for them, but then they're gonna ask me for it again. So I say, hey, yeah, I actually did that for you, and here's how I did it. There are oftentimes I get repeat questions, and when I do know where it is, in screencasts, I have libraries, or in Snagit, you can search for things. I will reuse a lot of content as much as I can. That way I don't have to remake it. If it's a 30-second video, that's not a huge time. But if I put a little bit of time into that original response, if I can grab that and resend it to them, I do that.
Tell us, what are your favorite hacks, or what are the must-knows?
If I know, I'm just literally taking a screenshot and want to send it to somebody. That's a copy to clipboard type action. Or if I need to take something and annotate it, I'm going to want to open that in my editor. Or am I recording a video? Do I want to just send something straight to screencast? Hotkeys, shortcuts, people call them different things, is probably my go-to #1 Snagit hack. I'm Austin Norton, project manager, dad of 3, golf enthusiast, and Snagit saves me time and headaches by communicating what I mean without having to write a book.